Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.